So you can go through the slide also later and refer the slide when you're going for the practice session. The paths are given, the paths and the experience is given here. You can go through this also during practice. Go through this slide also, get some more idea on this one. Okay.
Sekar,
Yeah, please.
you have created that relationship, right? For
Yeah.
actually, what is the idea about this? Actually, why you are creating? I didn't get it actually.
So that's the scenario. That's the scenario for
Hmm.
if you're having a higher level customer, who can control the lower level customers. So like a group. So there'll be a group of customers. So they can be handled by one person as a credit analyst, like a credit analyst. He can control the other customers. For example, so this person. So what we took last time. This I created as a person. The person. So not this one. So which one I took? So one person make as a okay. I'll show it again. So that is. That was here GRS. Not so I made a person as a customer. So he can. So you make a customer as a person, make him as a higher level customer. Make him as a higher level customer.
No, it will be good if you can give example in Excel. So, who is the higher customer? Who can be where customer? How it will be linked?
So from the so from the customer side. So that can be that can be customer who is in the head office, maybe the head office. He is one person is there who is going to control the credit management for other customers, other partners. So from the so we are having a company, they are having different customer code, like order production, they are having different customers. So there will be a person, there will be a central person who will be controlling the other customers under this group. So there will be a person. So yesterday I told you scenario. So we are having customer having a higher level customer. He is having the controlling the lower level business partners. So we make a person as higher level customer like group head, like a group head, who will be controlling the set of customers, maybe the region wise or say the same company from the customer company side. There can be different customer partners, maybe different factories can be different customers. In that case, make a one customer as a default customer, maintain him give him the all the total credit limit, and he can distribute the credit limit to the other customers under his group.
So, Sekar, you mean parent customer and child customer?
Yeah, correct.
So, for example, I will give you one scenario. So, correct me that is the correct scenario or not. So,
okay.
One customer is there, Lulu hypermarket. Okay, so he is the main customer. So, under that Lulu hypermarket, there are a child customers are also there. Okay, so Lulu hypermarket 1, 2, 3. So, three child customers are there. One main customer is there, Lulu hypermarket. So, for Lulu hypermarket, 10 lakhs is the credit limit.
Yeah.
Correct. And all three are reporting to Lulu hypermarket. So first child customer, I will go and place an order for that Lulu hypermarket 1. So it will deduct the credit limit from the main customer.
Main customer. Yeah. So that's the concept.
Okay.
Okay. So when you practice, please check this
So
one.
can you please show me one example and maintain the credit limit at a main parent customer and create
Okay.
a order for a child customer, and we can see whether the credit limit is decreasing or not from the main customer. So can you please create one scenario? Is it possible?
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll try. Okay, we'll try this one. So I forgot which I made now. That for
So
the.
do one thing, Shekhar. So
Okay.
do one thing. Can you please create one customer? Okay.
Okay.
Or if
Okay.
you have a one customer, take that as a main customer and create a sub child customer under that,
Yeah. So
and maintain that main customer credit limit as 10 lakhs.
okay. So that's I already made on the main customer. I am not able to find that which customer forgot which I made. So that is FLCRS 406. That is a loyal customer. Otherwise, we'll make a new one. First, we'll check is there or not. Otherwise, we'll make a new one. So that was. We'll make a new one only. So go for organization. So you make a new customer, main customer. Make a person. So it will make as a person. So you make a person there. I'll give some name. So I'll give some name as like something like some.
Like a Lulu hypermarket. Just mention it as Lulu hypermarket. We will take it as real-time example only. Lulu hypermarket.
So we hyper. Why no? So I took a person. Actually, took a person. So big counter person can be made as organization cannot be made as a relationship. So you can make a person or a group. What you take. So for last name. So in main. So it will go some road. So it's right now. So main road. Okay, so facts also. So this is general data. Country salary, okay. We'll say this one. It's a general role. The created. Score display change mode. The number is this one. Name is Lulu Hypermarkets. Go for the customer role FLC. Customer SD. Then go for language. Sales and distribution. Then go for say this one. Finance role. company code. Say this one. Go for switch company code. Change to number is 407. Say enter. Then the customer account. Say this one. Now change to UKM. For the main customer also to change to enter the details UKM. The credit segment data. So first I have to mention that credit profile. And taking as a go a new role or you can take anything. So go for that to date. And this class will take as a low default risk. Check rule will take first one. Credit group. This one. Okay. So low default risk rating procedure. We'll take something from the list here. We'll take this one. Rating. We'll take as good. And we'll take positive. Go for the credit segment data. So go for credit segment. We'll take this segment. The limit. We'll put some 5 lakh. We'll say this one. Say this one. Okay, so now I'll go for this. So customer number is his number is 407. His number 407. We'll check once more. So his number is 407. Number is 407. Okay. So now we'll make a new another. We'll make another customer now. So I can link this 407. I can link with other customers. We'll not need to create new one. We can link this another old customer. So 407. So this is the name is actually Lulu. So go for try to link with the old customers BP. Yeah, take one. We'll take 2 customers from the old one, but I have made already some credit limits. So we'll check. We'll take 407. This is the main customer, relationship customer. We'll check for 406. 406. I'll go for UKM. Here. Professor already mentioned that salary maintained. So in the segment data, we have 1 lakh. And the relationship, I link that main customer. So here, so you can take this one and the credit segment, again, the same segment. And relationship VP 400. So here, actually here, this like this will come go for by customer number. Customer was 407.90. So 407, this one. So create. So this is a discussion Pune and credit segment, this credit segment. Okay, segment credit segment. So now in the segment data, they are given here 1 lakh.
So you need to remove that 1 lakh.
Yeah, you got to remove that. So it should be without limit. So I'll take limit on not defined. I'll go for this one without that one. So, okay, so we made a. So now for this customer, the customer number 407 will make a sales order and check that one. So we'll make one more customer. So now.
No. You should create a order with the 406 customer, not 407. So 407 is the main customer. Lulu
Yeah,
hypermarket is the main customer. So
Yeah.
you have to create the order with the
Just for-
406
for-
customer.
Yeah, then we'll say that the main credit limit is reduced or not. But actually, that's for some cases are there. We'll try this one. So they're 406. So I'll just have some 150 quantity. So we'll make some, so how much? 50,000. Okay, we'll make some 100. So go for conditions. So for PR00, so price of 1,200. So where is 1,220,000? Where is 1,20,000? So I'll increase some more quantity here. Our quantity, I'll make 200. So total 2,40,000. 2,40,000 is the credit limit. So how much you get given for the main customer?
You have given for 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. Okay. So here made 2,40,000. Made for 2,40,000. So here. So we'll try with the 5 lakh. We'll try the 5 lakh so that whether we can check whether it's applicable to the. We'll check that. We'll give more than 5 lakh. Yes, we will give more than 5 lakh. Fine.
Don't give more than 5 lakhs. Just give 1,20,000 or 2 lakhs.
No, what
No
I
problem.
wanted to check, what I wanted to check if it is applicable. So it is applicable for the main because the lower level customer we haven't given anything. So the 5 lakh is the overall limit. So I tried that one.
No, we need to first check whether the credit limit is decreasing or not while creating the order. So after that, we will check. We will increase the quantity and we will check whether the credit block is happening or not. Okay.
Okay. So now it's 2,40,000. I want 2,40,000.
2,40,000. Okay. You just do invoice till invoice.
Add this one. Okay, we'll say this one. So there's no credit limit check for this one. There was no credit limit check. Okay, so yes, we'll complete the process. VL0 onion. Order number. I think stock is not the right thing.
Can you check now at BP Master whether credit exposure is updated? Some that 2 lakh something amount for main customer.
For me, okay, so 407, or 407.
Yes.
So here, so in 5 lakh will show in that. So there's no credit exposure here. So it's not showing here. So same will showing that for the main customer showing same. So actually, so there are some options in the so there were cases that we linked with authorization. So maybe that is the reason not updating yet. So according to that concept, it should change. The credit exposure should come 2,40,000. So maybe I work it out more and find it. So
go to relationship again. What we have done there.
which one?
Go to relationship that we have assigned to lower level customer, right?
Yeah, this is a main customer. It's a main customer.
Yeah, yeah.
So it change to 406. So for him, so nothing is showing here.
Where we have done relationship for main customer or child customer?
So here, this is a child customer. This is a relationship. So he is the main customer. He is the main customer.
Can you go back? So in this child customer, there is a when you are checking the credit limit. So there is a button of simulation button.
Here the main the sub-level customer. Huh?
Yeah. So where the valid 2, right? So above that there is a simulation kind of button, right? This blue and red button.
But here, this one, yeah. So so it's a similar credit check. As of now, there's no for loyal customer. There's no limit defined now. So we execute. We can see the credit check. So it's showing that credit will zero amount only.
So when it will show after invoice or what?
So that's we'll check with so actually during the sales order, because we made a level at sales order level. So we'll do and we'll try to make him billing, we'll check again. We'll do it, try with the billing. For this as again the problem is there with the stock again. So one more thing is that if the availability check is inactive and we are not able to make the stock, that this will not work. This credit manager will not work. The automatic credit manager will not work. We are not even the IATB is having the issue. So that also one reason can be there. Stock is that here. So the stock is there, but I already done the sales order for the same material. So so stock is not there because already I sent sales order for the same material. So the check is not working. So what can I do is what can do is the sales order, you can reduce the quantity there. So I will make some more stock. Actually, billing is not when if it is working, then you had it in the sales order itself will update the exposure limit. I don't know if it's not working.
Can I check the date? Confirm quantity date.
Which one? In the VS no?
Yeah.
Sales order, yeah. So 200.
It's 26, right?
26 is already confirmed only.
Yeah, but in delivery you're giving 25.
Later 25. Okay. Okay, so 200. Picking. So again, billing. So go for VFC around billing. We'll check the VFC around. Okay, 240,000. Here an account information. Can go for the BP master. So go for both. Will check 406 and 407. We'll check it 407 whether it's received reduce that credit limit. 5 lakh only. Not 6. So actually, the sales order itself should it's an obligation should happen. So something missing there. So there's nothing is there. Okay, let me check this out and I'll come to this topic again tomorrow. Okay, this particular functionality, I'll check and update you tomorrow also. So anything can you suggest anything any other way of any other doubt is that in this one credit management? So check it once and come with the solution for this one tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Do you have any queries? I want to check more here in this one. Do you want to check once more?
No, Shekhar.
Okay, so this will come out the solution tomorrow. Somewhere I'll do some testing and show it on for tomorrow. Okay, so like one more topic now. So we'll plan 2 more topics now. Today we'll have 2 more topics.
And Shekhar, one more question here. So
Okay.
do we have any kind of report where can we see the outstanding amount of each child customer?
Yeah, if you go for this E6 under the master data, so under credit management, we have so many reports are there. We got the case case credit limit request one option is there. For report wise, can have a list this place. You can go for this one credit profile. A lot of options are there. If you go for this one, credit limit utilization and UKM and this T code, credit limit utilization, and give the credit segment or any of the things. Business partner credit segment. For example, try with 406 and 407. So check the credit segments. Check the credit segment. That what we assign business partner, same segment should be taken here. So particle this one. To go and don't give the customer also give only the credit segment. Go for execute button. We'll see the exposure details. So all these customers are there. So you can see the credit exposure for the BCD1 showing the credit exposure. The other things showing there. So what you get today is not coming here. So this I can say get a report like for this customer, particular customer, what is the credit limit and what is credit exposure, how much you get used. So this one report. So like there's some more reports are go for this for credit utilization, can go for credit profile report. So you can go for the supplier, sorry, customer. Before not, I get role, any option get role or business partner. We'll go for this role. So again, it's coming here. So this different things. So here we have the score. You can see that for each customer, you see the score and the I can see that this one thing. And credit segment.
Hello, Shekhar.
Yes.
In that screen, business partner code is showing. So where is that customer code?
So no, if you go for selection, I'm taking the customer only. See here, I'm going like this one by customer number. So customer number is inside the BP code. BP is general code. You see here. So I'm taking the customer only. I'm taking the customer only here. So that's basically customer only. So actually it's linked to the business, the general role. So this number given for general number is applicable for customer and supplier both. Okay.
See,
So
I will give you a real-time scenario. So we
okay.
have created one Lulu hypermarket as a parent customer. Under that customer, I have a 4 child customers. Okay. So salesman will go and place the order for each child customer. Okay. So at the month end, as a credit controller, I want to check. I want to give my Lulu hypermarket as a parent customer. So it should display all the child customer, what all the outstanding amount. So based
Okay.
upon that, I will clear those checks. You got it, right? What
Yeah,
I'm
yeah. So yeah, that's correct.
saying.
Yeah.
So do we have that kind of report? At the month end, they are going to settle the all the payments, correct? So I will give my parent customer only, and I will search under that parent customer how many child customers are there, and each child customer what all the outstanding payments are pending.
Okay, so that I check it out. This I check it out. Maybe so next class I'll show that we can see that. I'll try to get the solution for that one. We'll see that. So I don't know BP master data. So we'll check here. So it'll come to here only. So these are BP wise there are report was there. So master data list is there. So again we get those things only. So it's not showing like this one. Okay, we'll check it. I'll check it out and tell you tomorrow. So the BP grouping and what are queries are regarding the BP grouping. I'll try to get some more information on that. Okay, so before going next topic is we'll take a break now for the. So we'll continue to batch management. Next topic is batch management. And so one more thing was that we got to solve this account information error in the billing document.
Shekhar, we have lots of things in credit management left, right?
Which one?
So yeah.
No, please repeat again. Couldn't get repeat.
Yeah. So in credit management, we have one more scenario. Please help us to show in system, because that horizon period of the credit that we have seen, right? That check rule. Okay, in check rule there are 5 to 6 options. Right. So we want to see that scenario also in system.
So you're telling about which one? This one.
Go to check rule.
Check rule.
So how it's we can design in system. If there is some requirement, then how we can handle this scenario. So please show us in the system also. Go to check rule. I'll just inform you so that you can go through it.
This one, no?
No, not this one.
Oh, check rule. So check rule
Yes.
was down was in down. So we are having here that one. So again, is that where it was at?
No, not this one.
The master data, the main thing, master data. This is a rule, the rating procedure, and risk case class is there, and a business partner. So check is here. This one, different checking rule. This one, no? Checking rule. So these are three things.
Yes. So click on 03.
Dynamic.
Back please. Go to 01 also.
Zero one, okay.
Yeah, we want to see this scenario. One scenario also sufficient so that we can we can have some idea. So if you handle this, suppose check for maximum document value, right?
Okay.
So how it will be designed in system. So
okay, you want that functionality.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'll try this. We'll check tomorrow this one.
Okay, so now we have two topics pending: this check rule and
grouping.
that grouping relationship, right? So
BB grouping, BB grouping, BB
parent
grouping.
and child relationship.
Okay. So I'll update you on this one. So okay, we'll continue with one more topic today. That is batch management. Batch management. Related with the S4HANA. Batch management related with the S4HANA. There's not much changes there. The batch management in S4HANA, basically same from the ECC. The only one difference is you can maintain the batch level at plan level. Batch level you can make it plan level. Batch you can make it plan level. So batch you can make it plan level. That was not available in the old ECC. So that means the one material that is batch managed item. Batch already know that's a group of items which has the same manufacturing date, same expiry date, like that options information. That's called a batch. So in S4HANA we got batch ECC we got batch management during the production and purchase process, during selling also. Once the production is done for the FG item or purchase made for the raw materials in any purchased items, during the selling option we can sell the batches and select the batches and sell the customers. Okay, that is the general scenario. So during the real production time, the production will make the FG items. That FG materials can be batch managed, like medicines or pharmaceuticals or food items. They can batch managed. You'll get a particular expiry date as well as manufacturing date. So all the related information will be there. In that case, we can so that in the ECC, the batch can be maintained at the client level. So batch, once you make the metal master as a batch managed item, in all the plants, it is batch managed item only. So if the item is managed at batch level, that's applicable for all the plants. We can't have a plant without the batch management. So all the material in every plant should have a batch management, should have batch ID. So that was at the client level. So in the S4HANA, they have made batch management at plant level. So we can enable the batch management for a particular item, but it can be so generally can be batch management, but each plant can decide whether you want batch or not. So same item, for example, this item is a batch item. In plant one, you can have batch number. You can have batch number, like for example, so this item, some batch like some number. This is a batch number in plant one. But the plant two, I can decide we're going without batch managed item. So the same item can maintain one plant as batch item, another plant can be not batch managed. So this will help you. So this is a process. The example is during the production item and the FG item, the main plant will be having the batch item. But when they distribute the different channels or different divisions, it can be batch. According to a particular plant's requirement, it can be batch without batch. Okay, previously it was not possible. You maintain the items batch managed item, both the plants should be batch managed. If we can't have one plant having batch item, another having non-batch item, that was not possible in the old system. This is in the S4HANA, we can have a batch item at a batch managed item at a plant level. So one plant can opt for that, another plant can be without batch managed item. Same item can be batch managed as well as not batch managed. So this is a concept. How it will help in SD is during the sales order. When you make a sales order particular plant, that item will not be having batch managed batch ID, but another plant it will ask for the batch ID. Okay, that's a scenario. Okay, so we'll see how it is working. So until here, then S4HANA related information not there. So normally for a batch managed item, so basically batch one is for a particular material, it can be a batch number. So you can it has all the inventory quantity associated with that. So you'll have the how much quantity for batch item, the information will be there, and also you have the details about material. So batch manufacture date and expiry date, those details will be there. So and the batch will be having 10-digit code. So this is already know that. So this is a setting for the batch management is metal master data get enable the batch item. In metal master data get enable the batch item. So here in the metal master data get enable the batch item. In metal master data. So I'll go for new metal only. Also, where is the settings? You already know that, just refreshing. So here the option batch management. Here the option batch management. So you get in the sales general plan data screen, you got to view, you got to activate the batch management. Okay, so should be activated at material level. So the material master should be batch management should be enabled. Okay, so you see that master can see one thing that you have in the one more option batch management plan level. So one more option batch management plan level. So once you activate this one, when you come back again, this will be activated here also. Batch plan level also will be activated. This in the old system, this was not available. Only batch management was there. It was not available. So now we can enable the batch management at the client level and also restrict it to the plan level. Restrict at the plan level. Okay, so this is setting the same settings only. They make the master data enable that material master data. Then give me a number range for the batch management that's available in the IMG. And then when you go that go to shift, you will get the batch number. That batch can be used for selling to customer or during the production can be used. So here the one search was this one already in the S4 EC system only. Strategy type. So this is the concept from the word ECC. A different strategy type is there. So we are not going to cover this one. We'll see only the batch enablement. Okay, so again, search procedure by SD also that there's no change in the S4HANA. So only change is the enabling the metal master plan level at the metal master plan level. So now this thing. So settings. So every time when you get new metal master data, this will enable it here, and help the details. So I put the MRP details. Back again to general plan data. So you can see it's enabled. Plan level is activated plan level. Okay, so it is activated plan level as well as the client level. Okay, so automatically is taking here, auto taking plan level here. This settings, one setting related to the setting, related setting in the IMG is by default can be deactivated. I can enable that. So by default can be activated or deactivated. That setting comes under in IMG. So under the Logic General, same path like ECC. There under batch management, and here the specific batch level and activate status management. So here you can define the that batch level. Batch should be at both levels, so material level or plan level. Unique, basically unique at plan level or material level and client level. So we'll take the second option, material level. It's already activated. And next one is this option. So set specific batch management data default by plant. So if you by default, it will not be activated. If you want to deactivate the plant by default, the default setting is the metal mass data. You want to change that. So initially should not be ticked. This one should not be ticked here. You have to manually select the tick here, activation here. So that setting can be done from the here. You can make setting. This base setting. So now as a default, it is showing the tick option there. If you disable this one, so if you tick this, you see disabled. Batch management plan level is deactivated. If you check this box here, so say this one. If you try the metal again, close and open. So as you know, by default it was ticked here. I'll take I'll close and open it again. So again I'll try mouse 11.
You are done for 0001 plan, not for TRGS.
Which one?
Yeah.
You done that activation for 0001.
Okay, sir.
That is 0001.
Okay, sir. Immediately check that. Okay, sir. Okay, so we'll go for the metal mass screen now. Plant. So I can see it is enabled here. So I'll check this one and fill the details. Get come back. Then only get activated. Press enter. Go to the next screen and come back again. So here it's all mandatory to fill. Then only allow. Go back. Go for general plant again. But it's not activated. So this setting there. So by default, if you want to activate, deactivate, that setting can be done from that. So these are two changes in the batch manager S4HANA. So we'll check this one. This function will check now. So this is one plan. This TRGB plan is activated. This batch is activated. I activated plan level also. This metal is activated. Batch is activated at the plan level as well as the client level. We'll complete this metal master. We don't testing. We'll make one GR for both. We'll make one more plan to check this functionality. So I already have TRGP. I'll create one more plan for my company code, and we'll same metal make for the second plant also. And during the stock overview, we can see the same item with batch, without batch. See, in ECC, it was not possible. It will show all the items, all the plant will have the batch numbers. But in this scenario, when I see the stock overview, one plant will have the batch number for the same material, another plant will not get the batch details for the same material. So we'll check that by getting new plant and one same material. Okay, so we'll finish this material mass data. So this material is batch managed. The plant data made us both the activated. So say this one, the mass data. So next I will make a new plant. We'll make a new plant so that we can check the functionality. We'll make a new plant and link the company code with the company code. Go for interest. Plant company code selected. Go for the plant definition. Make a new plant. So I'll make us TRG1. TRG1. So I made a new plant. I'll do the copying also. So created, plant is created. I'll take copy option also. Are you able to understand the concept here? So are you able to understand the concept here? So batch management can be made at different plan level. So are you able to follow? Okay, so are you able to follow the batch management?
Yes. Yeah, batch management, yes.
So test that and make one more plan. To test that new functionality or new activation, we'll check in loading on creation of plant and metal the same plant. Copied. And location also a mandatory one. So location, one more thing was the store. Next is store location. So go for metal management. Store location. And it's GRG1. So I'll get some already existing plan from the copying because copied. So just to maintain the address. Middle of store location. Next is assignment. So go for assignment. It's already there. So go for assignment. Plan to company code. Plan to company code. So that is TRG and this TRG1. Then get error message because the copied is already assigned to +1. So we can remove the copied assignment, then you can make assign to the new assignment. So find here, find plan to TRG1. It's assigned to +1 already. Remove this assignment. Say this one. Now go for new entries and do it again. So new entries, TRG and TRG1. So this assignment part is over. So you want to include the sales for the plant, you maintain all the other things. Sales and distribution units you have to create. Okay, then you have to all these things you are doing assignment also. Okay, so this is done now. I'm not going to get the sales from the second plant, so I limit to this settings plant location and store location. Assignment plant to company code. So I'm not going to use this plant for any sales purpose. Okay, so next step is we have to material ledger. So before going to material master data, you have to enable the material ledger, reactive material ledger. If you go for material master data, it will not work now. If you go for material master data with a new plant, it will not work. Go for MM01, already showed that class, last class, previous classes. MM01, go here, go for select views, change to select all the views, go for TRG1. So she cannot take the sales views here because I did not bring the sales views. So go for the, so I take purchasing here for this material. Then organized levels and this TRG1. You'll get error message. Cannot continue because material ledger should be activated and the production plan valuation area plan should be productive. So you have to cannot continue. So come here, go for the controlling and the general control. The T code is TOKKP. So organization, sorry, not this one. So under the controlling, go for product cost controlling and controlling product cost controlling. Go for actual cost in material ledger. Then go for first assign material ledger types to valuation area. That will be already there. So go for TRG1. So it's already activated and green date is there. So next step is going for the activation, material ledger activation. So here, so active material ledger. Here go for your valuation area again. TRG1 again. So you got check this ML activation and link one of the registered information. We take 3. This usually is for sales order, 2 is for moving average. So this option usually for standard will take 3 and moving average will take 2. We'll take 3 here. Save this one. Select material ledger. So now also you cannot continue the material mass data. One more step is needed. If you try the material mass again try the material mass data. Okay, material mass data. So now go open and close and open it again. So press enter again. Still you cannot do. Okay, it's done. So because maybe in the plant because we copied the plant is already productive. So the actual the step is CKM start. Equal to CKM start in comes into accounting. So in accounting under controlling under product cost controlling the T code is CKM start. Here go for environment then production start of CKM start. CKM start set valuation is productive. So you get the plant here. Remove these 2 ticks and execute. So I had done this. I had done the active product. Maybe that time I did not TRG1. I think it was data. So now the plant is made made productive. Okay. So now we have the material because material as a whole material is already available. The material is already created in the first plant with plant level batch activation. For second material, for the second plant, for the second plant for same material, for the material the second plant. So that material should be gated to the second plant also. So what I made up the first material, that was this material. So this material, cell TRGP, cell and TRGP. So this was material we created, and that batch 1000. Cell the first plant. The same material with the second plant is not available. In the second plant, it's not available. In TRG1, it's not available. Okay, the first plant is available with the batch activation. The second plant is not there. So this metal should be in the second plant also. The metal should be gated in the second plant also. So go for M01. So that in the material again, enter the same material again here. Go to get the first plant, we take the same material in TRGP. So we take this material, same material, should be entered there. Cannot use. So it not takes sales use. So other is I get taken because we are going to buy and or receive from the supplier. We'll take the purchasing tab also. And MR actually not required. Okay, so go for the here general storage to accounting, harness levels. So give the plant as TRG1 and enter. Salary is already available in the metal. You can see the message down. Metal already exist and will be extended. Okay, so you can come to purchasing tab. So enter some metal product metal group. And here we get the plan level and the help client level. So here, for this plant, for this TRG1, I disable this option. So this metal will not be batch managed for the second plant. First plant is already batch managed. For second plant, I am not going to maintain batches for this material. For this material, I will not maintain batch for this plant TRG1. I will not maintain batch management. Okay. So enter. Then so these are the standard terms we have to. So the same thing. Can be activated. So when I make a new metal master, I check whether this is activated or not. If not activated, you cannot activate later also, and the metal cannot be used anywhere. The metal cannot be used in any of the transaction. It is not enabled here. So enter. Say this. So I made two materials, same metal in the two plants. So I made the same metal in the two plants. So now we'll make a stock for this item. We'll make a stock with batch, without batch. So we'll go for MIGO. MIGO is for the GR, the constant metal management and unity management, goods movement in MIGO. MIGO is a T code for goods movement. So take this one. We'll take GR without PO. We'll take GR without PO. Other option and material. Same material, batch maintained material. First we'll go for GRGP. That is 5,000. Batch 100. So enter. Okay, so one more thing is that before making the batch, this GR, you have to maintain the batch details. So we have to maintain the batch detail for this. What's the batch number should be created. So if you go for this one, go for quantity, I'll use 100 quantity. You get over, so over where, so amount is 561. That's the opening balance. Plant is TRGP. So location, enter. So one more tab will be batch. So one more tab for the batch managed item, one more tab will come as batch. So in the batch, we got the batch number. Maintain one supplier also, if you are having, otherwise go for batch. Search for the batch from here. This material. So nothing is available because I did not give details for the batch management. So one more step is that before GR, one more step is that. So you made the details of the batches. So here, so that comes under central function. Batch management comes under central functions. Batch management comes under central function under logistics. So central functions. Here we got batch management. There we got the batch creation. So you can maintain the configuration also. You can maintain the configuration part also of batch class characteristic create. Otherwise, that will go for batch MSC1 create. Batch MSC1 create. Equal to MSC1 again. Okay. So if you want to buy the classification, then you have to go for tools. Not tools. Come under environment. Yeah, under environment. We have the variant configuration. Then go for tools, not tools. It comes under comes the classification system under environment and batch management environment classification system master data. You got the characteristics and classes. So batch should be managed. Can be. It's not mandatory. Can be maintained by variant configuration also. So go for characteristic first. So given characteristic name. So I'm giving batch. Batch is a characteristic for TRG. Then go for create option. So you can get details like batch for TRS. TRG. So then go for values. You can give the values here. So data type should be character. For batch will maintain character or number format. We'll take character format. So I put the number of 10 characters. Then in the values, so I can character values. For example, for this batch item, for the particular batch item, the value can be different batch number. For example, BT, I'll give bat. Bat is one of the number is bat 10. So another one is bat 20. So I can make two batches with this characteristic 10 and 20. So same thing can be maintained here also. And this also maintains same thing. Okay. So this is the bat 20. Maintain bat 20. Go for restrictions. And class type is 24 batch. Class type is 024 batch. So 24 batch. 23 batch. Enter, save this one. So before saving, I'll copy this characteristic. I'll save this one. Then go for class. Next one is class creation. This is a class CL0 to classes. Here I can go for class. So the same thing can be maintained or different can be maintained. I'm putting the same thing. And 024, 023 batch. Batch. Create again. To mention description. Like a batch. So go for give the characteristic, click on characteristic. As you paste the characteristic, what you copied, you can paste here. Save this one. So we have two classes for the two things for the batch item. In the various configuration, we created characteristic and classes. Next, go for batch creation. Go for batch creation here, batch. MSC1 create, equal to MSC1N. So you can go for it's a material. Land is already there. Store location, give the store location also. Press enter. So TRG, plan should be PRGP. So I took TRG for without batch. TRGP, enter. Till the message will come, click OK. And you can put data manufactured, everything maintained here. Data manufactured, like 25 manufactured, and this is a best before date. PVD means best before date. Okay, so SLD means a shelf life end date. That's the two things. The stock is unrestricted. Let's say this one. You can go for classification. Go for classification. Put a class. What you get a class. Then enter. Can go for this option. Create classification. So in the value here. If you need 2 values, it will come here. There are 2 values. But 10 and 20 will come here. Okay. So taking the only one option. Because in the I think I made the characteristic with single light, a single level. So where I mistake was in the characteristic, I did not put the values. So here in the change option, I did not take multiple values here. So it's allowing only one value. Should be multiple values. I put single values should be multiple values. Again, this topic is coming under variable. When I come to variable configuration, I'll show this setting. What's the change in the S4HANA. Okay, so go for the batch again. So enter again. Find the details. Date. And this one is some date. So and stock value. And classification. So classification create. You can take here. Both can be selected. Enter. Save. So made a batch before making the GR. So now go for the Migo. I'll go for the Migo transaction. I can type directly Migo. So this is a GR.
I think Shekhar, you have to assign that badge in classification material master.
That's not mandatory. So yeah, you can ask, but yeah, it can be done, but they're not mandatory. Not mandatory to assign the material master data. So go for material, the same material, which made as a batch item. So batch 100. Batch 100. So quantity will take 100 quantity. And where? So TRGP. And I will get a batch tab here. So batch, you can go for classification or the internal number. So if you go for batch here, so that internal number will come. So what internal number that will come here. It will come like this one. So if you go on classification, it's the classification number. If you click on classification and go for value here. So value, you take one of the value here, bat 10 and enter. So this batch for bat 10 number range. So now come back. Batch number already taken. Save this one. Sorry, not save. Sorry, I made a mistake. Should be checked and posted. So how to make the posting now? Okay, so I did not check and post. I just only say I saved only. I did not check and post. So I have to how to change this to document registration. So I will make a new GR only. So I got to check it how to do this. I'll make a new GR once more. One more GR will make. So batch. I can go classification. I'll take batch 20. I'll come back. Okay. Now already there. So go for check option and post. So you posted the stock for the batch item. If you go for MMB, MMB is stock value. MMB is stock value. That this one. MMB is stock value. So it's a material. Don't give the details, just give the material number. Only material number. So you can see the stock in the for second representation of the store location 122, 35, 2 batches are there. For the material TRG plant, there are 2 batches, 100 each with different batch numbers. The second plant, there's nothing is there. If the second plant stock is there, it will show here. It will show here, but there's no stock in the second plant. For the same material, there's no stock in the second plant. So now we'll do another GR. We'll do another GR now. Do another GR, another Migo. So here, same thing. So material again, same material again. So quantity again, some 100 quantity. The where. And take TRG1, new plant TRG1, and the store location. So now you can see there's no batch tab here. There's no batch tab in the for second plant. There's no batch tab. Okay, we check and post. So I can there's some the account progress checking is there. Setting missing. So HANA GBB BSA. So click on this button. So go for proceed. Click on proceed. You go to account details from the metal management. Cancel. Account assignment. That is GBB. You can see the error message. That is GBB HANA GBB. So here in this setting, go for GB. First find GBB. There is a GBB. This is actually for the GR without PO. That transaction we are using GBB. So it's automatic HANA. You can see the error message. That is chart account HANA. HANA is the chart account. Enter HANA. Enter. So you can here, you will copy one of the account here, copy one of the account, then go for create option, click on create option. So you can see the error message, again. Get link GBB BSA 7920, BSA 7920. So here, don't give anything here, This should be BSA 7920. So here, this will be 7920. That's a validation class. And the account, paste the account in both the places. Here this one. So enter. We'll go back. So again go back. Close the screen. We'll try again. So click and check again. Now again, so again post one. So again, so one more is BSX. So again click here. So again proceed. Again cancel. See again account assignment. See the error message. What is GBB? BS, not BGB, BSX 7920. So here, this is a BSX. So HANA. So here again copy one of the account and go for create option. You don't need anything here, only 7920. See the error message, there's no grouping code, only 7920. So here, enter 7920. Paste the account. Save this one. Now enter again. And then, so now go back. Again go back. Cancel. We'll try again. As posted. So we made a stock for the second plant also. If you go for stock value now, go for stock value. So go for stock value. MMB, stock value is MMB. So give only material, only the material. Execute. So material solid. So TR for 777, there's no batch. You can see TRGP, you can see there are batch numbers. For TRG1, there's no batch number. So this was not available in the old ECC. Only S4HANA, they have come up with the batch access for the plant level. So this is scenarios in some cases when the FG is made in the production floor, when you distribute the different plants, so some other plant will not maintain the material in the as a batch item. In that case, this is okay. So this is S4HANA batch determination. Okay, so this was the batch management in the S4HANA. Okay. So you have to follow when you go sales order, for example, if you go for sales order, you'll take a particular batch number that already you know. So it's a concept of the batch management. Okay. So one plant can same material can be maintained batch in one, as a batch in one plant. Another plant can be without batch. So you try for a VS around, you can set the batch number. Go for VS7. Take one of the customer. Batch manager item. As a delivery, will set the batch. As you bring the goods issue, they'll set the batch number. Then so I already know that, I think. So go for the batch 100 item, some 10 quantity. Batch, so it's a batch materials. Okay, so it's a process through the batch management. You can make the batch. The main thing is batch can be maintained plant level, cannot can be maintained or cannot be maintained at the plant level. That's the setting you have to do that. So here can be so you can the batch. You can set batch item here. Cancel the batch. So that's no, okay. So some more settings are needed. So you can see in the for HTML we need some more settings. So we get the batch determination. Batch determination, we have to do that. Batch test procedure. So that's maintained in the in the IMG that comes under IMG batch management and last is general batch management. There you get my setting for the set strategy here. So batch management. We get the option, we get batch master, we get batch strategy. So that's maintained for the plan sales service level. Again, the option batch search option that get maintained. So I already know that you can go through that. So the concept is they cannot maintain it. One plan can maintain plan level the batch determination, batch code, batch number. So other plan will not get the batch number. That's the concept. Okay, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow we'll go for the return manager in the S4HANA. The remaining is in the S4HANA returns management, advanced return management, ERM, advanced return management, and also you have settlement. The rebate agreement is called settlement. So those are the main two talks are remaining. And that will take the following classes. So now so that we're doing the Fury. So we'll complete the Fury. I made till sales order. Delivery invoice can be created from the Fury here. So again, go for the Fury. It's a take out for Fury. Again, you have to. It takes some time to load. So another class I'll take some more parties are making the own tiles. So that we'll see in the next week class. We'll see that. So wherein we made a sales already some sales orders there. We'll go for delivery. So type delivery. One more thing you remember was account information. So when I made the billing document, I get a error message that that account information is not maintained. If you go for the VF02, this is a billing document. This was one we did now. So when you go for, if you click on accounting, there's an account error, account information error. So the visibility has not yet been created. So for the invoice, the sales SD model is created, and the sales sheet is created. The finance is still not updated. Still not updated because we are getting some account error. So account error again you can make from the IMG setting. In the IMG you can make a setting for account costing, account assignment costing. So it comes under SD model. There's no changes. So the same thing as the ECC only. Go for the basic function, then go for account assignment costing. So there you got to go for one by one. So first revenue account determination. So there you got to go for assign account keys and account keys, assign GL accounts. So there you got to make the setting for your sales organization and chart of accounts. So first one is this one, double click on that one, you'll get all the account assignment. For check for Kana, my chart of account for Kana. For Kana. So okay, I got to go by search only. So my chart account is Kana. So the Kana here. So I got to it's already made to present sales analysis. We got maintained for our sales analysis also. So you can make the rate you can do manually, but here you can copy also. Existing will copy that from Kana. We'll take this one, Kana. What is that? So you can Kana here. So take all the Kanas. Easy method, the simple method is copy from the standard setting. We'll take all the one. The long method, long way. So this is how to do that. I'll just will just refresh. I'll do by myself in the after the class. So tomorrow you can see the journal entry, the account document. So go for copy into PRGS. TR. It's also be TR. Sorry, this one is 01. So then go for this one. Again, this one. PRGS. Okay, this also be 0. So only I change sales on. Sorry, I have to say only the sales on this. Okay, better to do. So this is a method. You already know this one. So I'll do it after the class so that tomorrow the billing will be ready. This is like this. You have to do that. So this for this combination, customer group, metal group, account key. This combination like that you do for all the other combination. Till this one you got to the till this one you got to all the combination for your sales area. Okay. Then you get do this also. Then this revenue account, this for revenue account declaration, you get do for reconciliation and cash account declaration also. Then only you'll get the JE journal entry for the invoice for the billing what you have done in the SD model. Okay, we'll do that. I'll do that by later. I'll do that. So tomorrow will be available without any error. So try with this one. So go over 47 apps. So you can see here with order reference. Create outline with the order reference. So planned shipping bind is TRGS, TRGH, and the order number. So I'll find which order number. You can go for sales transaction. That is TRGS. And search for go off. You can take the document type also. Take as a OR1. Equal to OR1. Go. So these are the sales orders for my RTRGS. So I think what date was. So I don't know which is delivered and which is not delivered. We'll take this. Like again, I'll list it here. I'll say document is 01. I'll try this one. 504. Continue. It's not complete. So okay. So sales order number. Then we can use sales order. I can do that also. We'll try once more, or we will make a new sales order and we can do that. This is OR1. Go. The date is 23/4. That 25/4 I'll take 25/4. Try this one. Okay, so I came here. This is a delivery document view from the S4HANA from the Fiori. This is the material 200 quantity. Go for pick. You can see the status value from here also. The Fiori also can status value all in A. So go for picking. Go for click on picking. Change to delivery quantity, store location, and the picked quantity is 200. Enter. If you check the status value, picking is completed. It's completed. You can do the PGA. Go for PGA. PGA can be done from here. PGA. Some more details are there. PGA. So you can see outbound delivery created and inventory document also created for the outbound delivery from the sales module. There's an account document for material document. Okay, this is a delivery. So next you can go for the invoice billing. So go for billing. You can go for manage billing. I try first billing. I will try. So bill. You can show all the 21 apps. To go for create billing. So the thing, same thing only. When you go to that billing document creation, you can copy from the delivery, complete the billing.
This Fiori app, generally the salesman can open in their device, right?
Yeah,
From
yeah. So
HHT.
yeah, okay. Yeah, you can do the configuration part in your gadget. Then you can use the Fiori. So any gadget you can use to get access to Fiori. You can do some system settings are there. You got the configuration for that. Configure the HANA for that. Okay, so it'll take a long time. So the thing is, you can go to billing. It's already the delivery document number will be there. Like how we do in the ECC world system, the GA screen. Same thing only here also. Okay, got that. So go for create billing. Where is that create billing down? VF0. This is a T code VF0. Create billing of VF0. You can go for this one. So document is already there. This is the delivery document notification. You can go for search option. It's not showing. And take that and go for save. So you can press enter first. Again enter. This invoice details, this item, this 200 quantity, net value 2 lakh. Once condition, select this and go for conditions. Display item details. That's then you can go for item details. Then go for condition. Click on condition, get the conditions there. So it's pricing conditions. You can save this one. This is and this is you can save this one. So you can see that it's saved already. So here in account definition, you should maintain the accounting account assignment. You got to do that in the IMG. Then this error will not come. Okay, so this is a Fiori from the inquiry till the invoice we created under the Fiori app. Okay, so you can try this one when after the class. Can practice. Can try to practice everything. So tomorrow also the remaining the BP setting in for the credit management and one more that checking rule. So I'll that credit rule. So I'll check that. I'll update it tomorrow. Okay, then.
Shankar,
Yeah, please.
in Fiori, suppose I want to create a tile. Suppose take an example, one report which is not available.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll train you on that. Maybe next week class I'll take that part. So the Fiori app, some of this I had to show you. Making the tiles and all. I'll show you.
Yeah. So and another thing, that technical background of Fiori. So how it is working? Okay. Do you have an idea? So one client, suppose on-premise and Fiori, both
Okay.
can use same time.
Yeah, you can use. You can if you see here. I made a billing document now. 6664665. If you go to the GUI, same thing you can see that. So everything related to the there only.
Okay. So yeah. So how in technical background, how it is working in basically in background level. So in I know that O data service. So
Yeah.
is it linked to Fiori to SAP GUI, or how it is working?
So I'll that part will later one class. I'll show all the in the Fiori related technology and how
Okay. Yeah.
how to make a tiles. The separate section I'll take that.
Okay. Fine. No issues.
So now so we completed the topics today. So tomorrow one more small topic is variant configuration, making the classification. So we start with that tomorrow morning after that BP and the credit manager. They'll go for either settlement or rebate manager called the settlement and AR, advanced return manager. That's the two main topics we have to take. So we'll take that tomorrow. Okay. So we'll close now. We'll meet again tomorrow morning with the new topics. So we're able to get that DP, the credit management. Okay, we are having doubts. We're able to follow that batch management and this theory. We are able to follow. So we're able to follow the things we learned today.
Yes, you can.
Okay, so
Yes,
okay, fine. Okay, so we'll close now. We'll meet again on tomorrow morning. Okay, so try to practice the things what you will learn till now. Try to practice that also. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thanks.
we'll take a leave. We'll meet again tomorrow morning. So thank you,
Okay.
everybody. Bye. Bye.
Thank
And thank you,
you.
everybody.